So we have this Astra, the newer shape one. Customers just dropped it off and he wanted some leather seats fitted. Then he's got some VXR ones now. So I am just having a look round to see how easy it is to put them back in. Now I haven't taken the brackets off and there's different brackets for different vehicles. So we're just going to have a look and it might just help you out if you ever come to it. I have gone in the back and exposed these, which has helped out massively. Because like on Sam's when we did one on the same shape as mine, you don't have these. Same shape as mine, you don't have these, so you pulled them off there and the threads are in there, but they are minging. So I am now going to get some oil, going to run these up and down and clean them up. All right, that's what I'm going to do there, and then we're going to fit that seat, and then we're going to work out how to fit the brackets on the back here and see if it's easy to do. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I'm Colin. This is Shineautomotive and we're a car project channel, and we have tons of projects on our channel, loads of stuff. And today I'm doing this for a customer, so we'll just work it out and you can just follow along as I do it, because it might just help you out, or it might not, or you might just want to watch it, or you might not. Who knows? Oh, squirt on the holes. Get some squirty on them holes. Oh, yes. That is noisy. The biggest thing in this equation is you need a charged battery. I think this one with a little bit more get up and go. You could always use a tap, but I'm trying to show you this if you've just got basic stuff like a couple of tools and a welder and a grinder. If you've got them sort of tools, I'm sure you're going to have a tap. But have I got a tap? No. Is my phone lens filthy? I would have used my camera. I left the camera at home, didn't I? You know what I'm like. Once you got the oil in them, you work them up and down. It's a bit of a messy job, but at this stage it doesn't matter. Use the same one, set it off by hand so you know you're not cross-threaded. Bit of oil on there. Whoa, brown rain. So you just keep working it back and forward. So you go in, bring it back out. So we've got them screwed in, so that helps out to get the centralness. Obviously that's drooping over, but we can just adjust that when it comes to it. So we're going to go in the back now. One must be for the seatbelt clip. I think the seatbelt clips go on them too. The isofixes will go on there, but it's not having the isofixes on. So let's go in the back, screw them two back in, and then work out the back brackets. Just as simple as that. So they're the brackets that are being removed out of the normal car, which is just spot welded on. And these go in situ on that rear arc. Very much similar to the same as what we did on Sam's. So this one's in place already, so I can use this because obviously there's lots of different places you can get it fastened in. So you need to get it where naturally the bracket naturally sits back in itself. And the same on that one. And then we've got the bracket down at the bottom, which are these as well. So just clean off all the sharp burrs off them sides. So then put it back in there, it's going to naturally find its spot where it should be. And that hooks into that bar right there. So the best thing is to get all these in, slide them in I reckon, and then see where we need to be, mark around it, move them all off again, clean back the area. Yeah, well that's easy to do because all you need to do is send the seat forwards. Then you can clean that area. I think we'll get these out the way as well, just to make our life easy. I don't think they're not held on by much anyway, so I'll do that. Move them. And then bring the brackets in, mark them round, spot weld a couple in, job done. Right, so we've got them all marked there now. So I'm going to move the seat forward and just clean them back, and then bring it back down, tack them in, and then take the seat away, and then smash all them ones in. Then we'll work out getting, because obviously that's sat nice, and then that's droopy whoopy. And I don't want to disturb this side, get one side done at a time. Don't matter if you have to take the seat in and out, whatever. Just get the job done right. With a soft pad, just clean that off. These are the 80 grit, they're from Clean Sport. There's a link in the description where you can get them from our merch store. They are awesome, and that just takes all the bearing off, all this sharp bearing off like that. So you want all that off just like, and then that fits nice and smooth where you need to be, just like that. Right, let's get these in place and let's have them tacked in. I've changed what I'm doing now. The back ones are going in because I want to get the level. I think it's the best getting these brackets right to get the height this way, and then we'll sort out the bottom ones. Make sure you've got all them nice and screwed in, all 4 of them. Right, let's go. Place, so we've got a good distance here, and that is nice and straight, and the level is nice and straight. They're not kinked in. That's proper hard to do on your own to level it out. I'm just going to go in the front now, a couple more tacks down the front, and then let that cool. Obviously checking underneath the wheel arches. It will need the wheels taking off, and it will want the inside of the arches treating. I'm just going to check nice and steady because I'm on my own. I'll do a couple of attack on that side, just get out, just keep checking it, make sure we've got no flames. Last thing we want is this thing going up in flames.
Don't panic, don't panic, don't panic, don't panic, don't panic, don't panic, Mr. Manry.
So yeah, just tack away, steady away. 2 bits down there, and remove the seats. And then we can get them fixed in place, and then we can look at the rear seat belts that don't have any bolts in there. I might have to purchase some seatbelt eye points. I'll put a picture of them up now. Or I might be able to get some out of another vehicle. Who knows? Let's just work away, steady away. So we've got all the seats out. The brackets are in place. And I'll start tapping them down flat and filling the spot holes in. I'll do one either side and then let it cool, check the wheel arches. It's easy as that. This one's bent a little bit, so I have to do a bit of pull the ribbit. You see, when you push down on that and weld her in, they're all right. It's took longer than I thought to get to this stage, but there we go. And it's bloody freezing, but there we go. There we go. Let's just weld it up. I'm not sticking it on a time lapse, just welding in it. There's loads. You've seen loads of welding on our channel. Got a phone lead. Woo, needs charger up. Down there, which you can't see because it is dark now, to put the seatbelt in at the bottom, we've gone through the wheel arch. We fitted these FIA approved plates. Now I did order some and they haven't turned up in time, so I've taken these off the turbo KA. We've got them, and that'll go on the inside of the arch, and then that'll go through to support the seat belts. So they're racing FIA standards. And then in here there isn't the bolts, so we've got these that are going in there, and they'll get welded, dressed up in there, and that's them. So we'll clean back here, weld that on, and then that'll do for the top bits. And that is a seatbelt anchorage point out of another Vauxhall, the scrap Vauxhall at the top. That's perfect in there, and then we can get the seatbelts fitted. Finally, sorted. We're all done. That is them complete. We'll have a look at it in the daylight because it is bloody late now. Well, that's another customer that's happy with their job. If you want your seats putting in the back of an Astra van like that, hit us up. Email link is in the pinned comment and the main description. Click here to watch some more crazy videos because we have lots on our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.